Are they these?
What are you doing talking to him?
What? Is that sexy, Barbara?
Jesus Christ, Siobhan. This is too fucking risky.
What are you wearing?
Shut up.
Come here and give me a hug, you kid. Ma, guess who's here?
Oh, Mickey.
You alright, Auntie
Oh,
Tricia?
darling. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Oh, your mommy must have been delighted to see you.
Yeah.
Jesus, look at you.
I thought I'd dress to impress.
Oh, it's so good to see you. I'm praying for you every day. Right, I have to get to work. I've left some money on the mantelpiece for you, love.
Oh,
Okay,
cheers,
so
Mum.
get yourself a few beers and have a good night. Don't get up to too much mischief, okay? Keep the head down, okay?
Hi, Mrs. McGee.
You love.
Right. What's the rest of them?
George Best says so himself. He says he's the toughest player he's ever played against.
Did you ever stop, man?
McKay's a player manager.
Gentleman.
Mickey!
Brilliant to see you.
Boys. Johnny Bo!
Looking well.
I know, I like it. I think I look quite sexy.
I love your
legs.
Love the legs, like.
Anyway, how you keeping? Oh, I'm good, I'm good.
Here, sit down.
I'd like to get out of the dress first, if that's all right with you.
Come on, we'll grab you something upstairs. Come
No
on.
problem. It's good seeing you, boys. I'll be back in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
When he's gonna get me a drink, he's just gonna stand there.
Jeez, make yourself at home, why don't you?
Right.
Here you go, mate. That's mine, you fucking rat.
Well, I wouldn't wear it. Here, I seen my ma earlier. Thanks for keeping an eye on her.
She's doing grand, mate.
Missed your ugly mug.
You're fucking...
Lawrence! Christ! Fucking calm down! What? 2, 3! Wait, how many women have you had sex with this week?
4, and there's still 3 nights left.
So what's your plan? What's this good numbers? I mean, that's good.
Can you tell me all their names?
Turn the music down.
Got ya! Where is he? I thought you were on the fucking run, Mickey McGee.
Bang that door like a fucking peeler, Brady O'Neill.
Shut you up and get over here and give us a...
Do you want a drink, Az?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
How was that? Alright to see you. Scared the shit out of you.
Cheers.
I mean, I might have a job over there. My cousin's working for this shoe factory. She's gonna try and sort me out.
I can't believe you're actually leaving.
Leaving us in this hellhole, you wee bitch.
Sorry, girl. It's not gonna be the same. Not having you around.
I know, but I need to get out. I mean, I love my ma, but if I stay here any longer, I'll end up getting a load of a gun, doing something I'd regret.
It was after that. He had to buy the drinks for the rest of the night.
You're talking shit, Sean.
I'm telling you, Madame met him in Dublin.
Your dad met in Dublin. When?
I don't know, in the 50s or something.
Michael Collins died in 1922.
He got me out there now.
Yeah, he is.
This is our history, Sean. You can't go around lying and joking about it. There are people dying every fucking day for it.
I'm just saying.
Well, don't.
Lighten up, lads. He's only here for one night. What is he tomorrow then?
Fuck off.
We're probably getting over this.
Johnny Bo, get it down!
sure you're gonna be alright walking home on your own?
I'll be fine. It's only around the corner.
I'll walk you home, I want to.
Okay.
Right, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna walk Alison home.
Good luck, big man!
Listen, I got a set of keys, so don't let anyone else in, okay?
Yeah. Thanks for the night, mate.
No worries, mate.
Good luck.
See you later. Here you go.
Yeah. Well, this is me.
I wanted to do that for ages.
No one's in.
Yeah.
It's good to have you back, Micah. But we should really be using the toilet. It'll be grand, Sean.
UVF! What the fuck? Like, where the fuck is he? Sean! Check out the back! Please! Sean! You! Against the wall! Die!
Hello? Rory?
Christ, man, are you okay?
I'm fine. Don't be worrying about me.
Where are you? Did you get over the border?
No, not yet. There's Brits everywhere. I got 'em on my way.
Okay.
Oh, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You holding up all right?
I'm fine.
What about the others?
The others shot. Siobhan and Sean
Did they make it?
No, they didn't, man, no.
never came back.
We'll have to go, right?
Yeah.
Look after my mummy for me.
Of course it will.
Lord,
I love you.
love you too, man.
Last night, Protestant paramilitaries carried out an attack at a party in a house in Belfast. 2 young Catholics were shot dead and 2 others were injured. The gunmen were believed to be looking for Michael McGee, a suspected member of the IRA. The shootings were said to be a revenge attack following the bombing of a pub in East Belfast 3 weeks ago. The UDA claimed McGee was involved in the attack, however the IRA denied his claim.
The Proclamation of 1916 says that the people of Ireland have a right to the ownership of Ireland. We are being treated like scum in our own country. I ask you to stand with me. Don't shout up the IRA. Join the IRA. If we the people stand together and show this imperialist government a united